welcome to my channel Payal's Recipe. Today I'm going to show you a very simple and quick chutney recipe that's Andhra style. So this is Andhra style gongura pachadi or gongura chutney that I'm going to make today. So let's get started. Now the ingredients to make the gongura pachadi or chutney are some gongura leaves. These are nicely washed, and then I have some oil, some red chilies that are dried, some urad dal, mustard seeds, chana dal, lots of garlic that's chopped, salt to taste, onions finely sliced, some green chilies, and these are the curry leaves that I've torn into pieces, and some hing. Now the first thing that I want to do in order to make this gongura pachadi is to heat the pan and add a little oil. Now after adding the oil, I'm going to add the green chilies and our gongura leaves that are nicely washed. Now we're just going to saute these green leaves. Saute it till the leaves wilt, and we're going to cover it and keep it for 5 minutes on low flame till it becomes even more softer. So now I'm going to cover it and leave this for about 3 to 5 minutes on low flame and then check on it. Now let's check on our leaves. Yeah, and now I'm going to turn off the gas and grind this into a paste. Now after making a puree of our gongura, I'm going to make a tadka or seasoning for our gongura pachadi. So I'm going to heat the pan and add the oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add the mustard seeds, let them crackle. Once the mustard seeds start crackling, I'm going to add the urad dal and the chana dal. Next goes in the red chilies that are dried. The onions, curry leaves, garlic, and just give it a mix. Next, I'm going to add the hing or asafoetida. This is about 1 teaspoon, 1 to 1.5. This is a must because it gives a very delicious flavor to our gongura pachadi. Just saute it for a couple of minutes, and I'm also going to add some salt. Our onions, garlic, and the other things have fried well, and now I'm going to add the gongura paste. This is the green chilies and the gongura leaves paste that we sauteed earlier. Now after adding the paste, I'm going to mix everything. I can smell the delicious aroma of the gongura leaves and the hing or asafoetida and curry leaves. And a gongura chutney is now ready. I'm going to serve it. Now this is a delicious gongura chutney that you can see. It's so easy to make and it's going to be super delicious. I hope you enjoyed this simple and easy gongura pachadi recipe, and if you did, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Payal's Recipe. And for more recipes, tune in till next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.